Look at the hotel, guys. You can keep it here. Okay, this is a bedroom. This is mirror, and that side is your washroom. Here you have a little fridge here. All those things there. Kettle is there. You can, make tea, coffee, etc. And this is your classic bedroom. This is for 2 person, by the way. Isn't it cool? Here you can work. Chair is provided. Okay, let's see the outside area. Oh my god, it looks awesome. Look at the outside. Oh my god, nice. Okay, so this is the place where you can keep your laptop and do work from home or whatever is your work. You can do it over here, and also you can sit here and take some break and all that thing. Okay, phone is there. You can order food from the cafeteria or restaurant, and 2 beds are there. They are separated. That's fine. Okay, and here smart TV is there. You can make use of it. And over there is a central AC is there, and you can control it from over here. Okay, beds are also good. Okay, this is nice. Dustbin is given. You can create your tea and all those things. By the way, this is made of recycled product. Nice. This one is also a locker is provided also. You can keep your locker, keep your things over here.